Next, if x square plus 3x plus 5 into x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to m square minus n square, then m equals to, okay. See, one thing common or one thing to be noted in these two is x square same, 5 same, 3x same. Only the sign difference. So this you can shift it 3x and 5 with each other, means replace them. So it can be written as what? X square plus 5 plus 3x into x square plus 5 minus 3x, right? Same thing. So take it into bracket, x square plus 5 bracket plus 3x into another bigger bracket, square bracket, x square plus 5 minus 3x. So now what it becomes? A plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. Now what is the formula for that? A square minus b square. There equals to x square plus 5 the whole square minus 3x the whole square, right? But what is given? M square minus n square. So this is m square and this is n square. So m equals to x square plus 5.